What's up? Good one. We catch a bunch of fish. Riley, Glen, and I headed out to the river. We met up out here. Caught a stupid amount of drum. Bunch of catfish, some other mixed in stuff. I had some stuff try to steal my pole. Also, Riley chased after a pole that was getting pulled in. The pole, it was gone. Riley somehow managed to fish it back out. So that's really cool. So hope you enjoy this one. There's a lot of fish. We'll see you on the river here. Starting off today with a drum bud. Riley and Glen aren't here yet. They're on their way.
There, other spot. I guess I'm the drum king today. That's all I can catch. He's croaking. Okay, not anymore. There we go. Oh, that's why he wasn't playing. There we go. There's something sizable. Not a I was gonna say a shitty drum. That stinks. His fin's broken. I can feel it. All right, let's go. Oh, that might. No, I kicked it. The rocks must be hot still because it's where the rocks. No way.
I think I have your
No
pole.
way.
Oh
He
my
caught.
God.
He caught your pole.
You're the greatest. You pulled this. I have the fish on it too.
You're awesome.
I think the fish is on it. Is the fish on? Oh my God.
You just pulled it off. Miracle.
Oh my God.
Well, you saw the pole go in the water, and Riley caught it back. That was the culprit that took the pole.
A hero.
Man, I saw that tip of the rod coming out. I was like, yes! We'll get this one. I can net it. I'll put the camera right on the net.
Right at me.
Ooh. Oh, nice drum.
Down the sideways. Thank you.
Look at that.
Oh, got a nice one. Oh my, not even moving. Oh my God.
Really?
He's not moving.
Keep pressing.
He won't move.
Riley's got it gone. It's raining. It's the net.
Oh crap.
Dang, it's raining. 30%. My butt.
Oh my God.
Got him.
Cold.
Drag too, I can hear it.
I need that sheephead.
I got jump on.
Yeah, I'll be around fishing. I'm getting a bite right now. Take care.
Got one. This is a nice fish. Got ourselves a nice drum bud. Riley and Glen just took off. It's raining pretty good, but I'm sticking around. Got a nice drum bud.
Don't catch many yellow perch. Got one. Caught tons of fish with Riley and Glen. Something almost took my pole like they did with Glen's pole. And they broke it off. That was big. Man. drum time. Good way to end it. We'll end it on this drum bud catch. Came out here with Riley and Glen, caught some good cats and a ton of these guys. Yesterday caught so many white bass. That last video, catching white bass with pops, will be really good. A fish took some of Glen's cut bait and took their pole in the water. Riley ran after it. We were all disappointed, and then 10 minutes later, Riley's like, I got something. I think it's your pole. And he fished the pole back out with the fish still on it. So that's really cool. So hope you enjoy that one. We will see you on the next one. Until next time.